Old S50, all you gotta do is make it there. Oh, she's alive. Oh man, she's getting hot real quick. Oh God, she's almost at the red. All right guys, today is the day we're finally gonna take the E36 out of here. I'm gonna go ahead and take the cover off, put the battery back on, and hopefully it starts back up. Once it starts up, I am not gonna let it warm up because it overheats. So I'm literally gonna be driving it out of here. She is dirty. Yeah, once I get the car back, definitely have to do a detail, 100%. All right, we just put the battery back in. The light turned back on when we put the battery in, so that's good. But let's see if she starts up. All right, baby. Old S50, all you gotta do is make it there. Oh, she's alive. Turn the heater all the way on, because we don't want any more overheating. It says check coolant level because reasons. And I'm gonna be short shifting this thing the entire way there. Keep the revs really low. I want this car to be cold as shite. Oh my God, it's been so long since I've driven this car. I gotta remember how to drive stick shift. But luckily for me, the shop isn't that far, so let's hope we make it. I'm hoping for all green lights. God, I miss driving this car. No red lights. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn my car off because I'm still trying to preserve the motor. I know it's toast with the head gasket, but I still want this motor. I'm gonna be rebuilding it later. We'll throw it into something else. As long as the head and the block is still good. Yeah, I obviously still want to salvage this thing. And it's still got a fully functioning rebuilt blower on there, so don't want to put that to waste. I could sell it, but I think the S50 still has a lot of life in it. It just needs a new head gasket. So I want to keep the overheating to a minimum. Last time I drove here, I actually got up to 3/4 of the way to red, and I know that's no bueno, but you gotta do what you gotta do. All green lights, all green lights. Come on, baby. Oh man, she's getting hot real quick. It probably would have been smarter if I towed the car, but I just don't want to go through the hassle and paying anything. Turning the car off. She wants to creep up past the middle one. It's like driving a new car. Just turns off at every stoplight to save gas. She's holding, she's holding. But we need to get some movement in. Otherwise, her staying here too long isn't getting enough air through the radiator. Oh, there it is. She's creeping. At least this time around, she's creeping now. Last time we were at 3/4 of a line halfway here, so this is considerably better. But I don't want her to go any higher. Please do not go any higher, girl. Please hurry up. Please hurry up. Hurry the fuck up. Come on, dude. Idiot. Oh God, she's almost at the red. Oh, we made it. Oh my God, we made it. By the skin of our teeth, we made it. All right, turn off. Oh, they got it covered up pretty good. But all this stuff, oh yeah, this is probably like the exhaust manifold and all that stuff. It's the kid on Christmas Eve.
Yeah, really.
Oh, there it is. So that's gonna have to Now you can kind of see what you got to work with. Yeah.
Oh, you did. Got some interesting welders in Canada.
Good old GM quality. Oh man. Woo! You know, seeing one in a crate motor looks a lot smaller than it would. At least to me, it does.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't ever. Well, I mean, it's got most of it on there, I guess, huh? We'll make sure we fire it up without any oil in it.
Yeah. Give it the good old test without oil. Yeah, all the harnesses and computer stuff should be in there too.
What's the evap canister?
Okay.
Manifolds.
So yep, that's the manifold. Yeah, good old Canada.
A little maple syrup on there.
Yeah. I did see, I think in the article, they did shave a little side, the manifold too.
Right here? Just kind of...
a little bit, I think over here, but they also shaved on the driver's side, just a little piece off the corner.
Okay.
I don't know if it was like over here or something, but just a squeeze, yeah. The steering column, I think, is going to be one of the bigger challenges.
This is the protection harness.
Yeah, that's probably where all the harnesses and stuff are. I'm excited for the T56. I've never driven one before, but I've only heard good things about it.
Two center bungs, wiring harness.
Alright guys, so we just got done dropping the car off. Right now the wife is driving me. Say hi! So yeah, that's pretty awesome. It's a new crate motor, as you guys saw. It came from Canada. Yeah, we're pretty excited. So engine's all there, all the manifolds, gaskets, pedals, ECM, and T56 is obviously in its own separate box, and as well as the sticky swap kit. But yeah, my mechanic's excited, I'm excited, and it's gonna be a fun time. I'm just excited just to have the car out of the house, really. Like, you don't know how frustrating it is every day to come out and see that car under wraps, and it's not running. Like, it's the most frustrating thing, and I literally feel like I just sent my car to rehab. Like, go and don't come back until you're better. And I'm sure it's gonna come back cleaner and ready for new life. So if you like this video, like this video. If you dislike this video, dislike this video. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next video. Remember, respect your elders. Peace.